Here we go, the smoke haze. You look out there, and it's almost like you're waiting for the Loch Ness Monster to bloody poke up, because I'm here to tell you, the far point over there, you can't see. You really can't see much at all. A little bit, there's a boat out there, obviously cruising along. It is as clear here as you can see on the water, but all the smoke hose is right down. So the boat is actually just there in the middle, but can't see it.